My favorite part about DOS Festival weekend is working with our amazing volunteers and cutting up and having a good time, seeing the same faces year after year. Some of those volunteers are actually family members of mine. My daughter and I got to serve beer last year, and so that was an instrumental part in me joining the board this year. There are so many things that happen behind the scenes to make DOS Festival possible. We attend statewide events to learn more about how to be a good charity and good board members. We meet once a month and decide on at least once a month, and to decide on all the many details that go into running a festival of this size. It's a lot of work, but it is totally worth it. We don't have another heritage festival in Kendall County. The Wiener Dog races and the Stein competition and all the other unique events are what makes DOS Festival so fun. I think the DOS Festival reflects the spirit of Boerne and Kendall County in the way that we hold on to our heritage from all the different cultures that have formed our communities and continue to pass that forward into the next generation. I'm Gwendolyn Hayes. I'm the Volunteer Labor Director.